Hey guys, Brett Adair, Vice President of Sales with Copart. I'm here to talk to you about an exciting new piece of technology that Copart just launched, and that's the Go app. Global Offsite or Copart on the go if you prefer. Guys, you can now take your dealership to the next level and post your vehicles right at your dealership through Copart to all the members across the world. It's so simple. All you have to do is get with your local account manager or send an email. You'll get a unique seller code, and then from there you can log right into the Go app. Take all the images of the vehicles at your dealership. You're going to go ahead and do a yes/no condition report on that vehicle. You're going to give some general information about minimums and so forth, and then a front and back copy of the title, and boom, you're there. Once your vehicles are on sale, you'll be able to connect with all the buyers across the globe. Over 750,000 members in more than 170 different countries across the world will now see your inventory right at your dealership. They'll be able to submit offers to you straight through the mobile device. You'll be able to accept those offers. You'll be able to counter those offers. So they'll be able to send, make it offers directly to you, and now you're working your cars with buyers across the globe, selling your vehicles straight from your dealership. Guys, this is a very, very exciting opportunity. Take advantage of it right now. Let's get your vehicles posted to the Go app. Let's get them sold right from your dealership.